Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a video on how to crochet. This is actually something that I crocheted myself, this fancy little scarf. And we're just going to go over the basics today, just the first things that you need to know when you want to learn how to crochet. First rule is safety first. They wouldn't say safety first if it wouldn't be the number one rule. So we're going to go ahead and go with that. Rule number 2, have fun. You always want to make sure that, anything that you do, it's enjoyable and it's a really rewarding experience when you learn how to crochet. That's actually something that I didn't really expect. I thought, it was going to be something where I made a little trinket or whatever for Mother's Day, but I actually ended up really loving it. So the third rule is you want to make sure you have your tools. We're not going to be crocheting today, but I'm going to show you just the basics that you need. We're going to want some of these. These are called clips, and it's kind of similar to crocheting where you clip the clips together, and then that's basically, you have these for safety. It's like a harness so you don't fall. You're definitely going to need your tape. There's things that you'll want to tape. If you make a mistake, per se, you can just tape up that portion of the crochet. Flashlight. You want to make sure that you have this in case the power goes out, or in case you're to fall into some sort of a cavernous structure where you need to be able to see light, where it's a life or death situation while crocheting. You can do this one to make sure that the predators can't come at you, small insects and things like that. And then we need our post-it notes. This is where we're going to be able to put notes. We can put things like this. Shoot. Okay, that was a bad one. Let's try another one. This says keep going. That's in just a note so that you know what, James? Keep on going. You're doing great. Okay? And then you're going to need like a fucking shitload of pens. Put them in your tape. Have your flashlight. You can use this for illumination. Make sure that, have this ready. Keep going. Put it right here on you. That way every time you look down, you know to keep going. And then you got your clips. You clip one of these things. You can clip it onto your eyeglasses if you have eyeglasses. So that way you know where they're at all times. So those are the basics for crocheting. And we'll go ahead and get started on the next episode. Get ready to have fun.